What is up, everybody? Welcome to Rob Squad Reactions. Welcome to the channel. For all of you guys that are new here, hey, we appreciate y'all coming hanging out with us today and listening to some great music that is always suggested to us by
you guys,
our amazing RSR family. But before we get into it, we got a brand new group today that you guys have suggested. But for you new people, one more time, you are here with your boy Jay.
Hey y'all, you're also here with your girl Amber. We're checking out D-Train. The song is You're the One. You guys said this group had some hits in the 80s, and that is a good sign that we should check
80s,
it out.
y'all know, if you guys been here a while, y'all know I love the 80s, and y'all said we would love this group, so that definitely got me intrigued. We're ready to jump into it, though. Before we do, there's a couple things we ask y'all to do.
Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that post notification bell. You'll get a notification every time we post a video, and then that means we never miss out on listening to some good tunes together.
You do not want to miss out on these tunes. Y'all send it in. We give the people what they want. Let's check out some D-Train. You're the one for me.
With the love I have inside of me, we can turn this world around. We can live through all eternity, and we never touch the ground. We'll take a chance to ride upon a star to a place that's far away. The light of love will shine on us forever and a day.
That was a, yeah. Okay.
That's cool.
Through love by my side, the world will be mine. The one for me. With this new love I found, takes my feet up off the ground to fly away. With this new love I did, takes away my every fear, don't go away. You just don't know what you did to me, but I'm not sad. I'm not sad. Since you gave me love and shelter from the rain, you just don't know how you make me feel. Your sweet love, girl, it's so unreal. I've got love desire. Since you love it, my soul's on fire. I'll stand up on a cloud, shout out now, you're the one for me. With your love by my side, the world will be mine, you're the one for me. I'm riding on a cloud, got to shout it out loud, you're my own. Baby, hold on tight for the rest of my life, don't let me fall. You just don't know what you did to me, but I'm not the same. I'm not the same. Since you gave me love and shelter from the rain.
Such a smooth, soulful voice, and to put it in front of like these very poppy disco
Yeah.
sort of like 80s tunes, it's such a cool mixture.
Yeah, oh my gosh, I love the beat.
I wasn't expecting it from that first part of the
Oh
song.
no, it was a switch up. I thought I forgot all about that part of the song, even though the vocals were great. But I love the beat. I love the music. But his voice, my gosh, it's got that soulful, attractive, masculine quality to it, especially when he reaches to the depth, the confidence he sings with. It is fantastic. But you
To me,
pair
it's similar to like a Billy Ocean.
yeah, you pair a really strong voice with that, with like really fun, with a really fun sound behind him. I don't know, it's really cool. It's fun.
And then the woman, I don't know either one of their names. It's our first time ever reacting to them. But like when she comes in, kind of like those back end vocals, this is a vibe. This is definitely a vibe. D-Train. I want to hear some more of them even after this one.
You just don't know how you make me feel. Your sweet love, girl, is so unreal. I got love desire. never let the gun. We'll take your chance to ride upon the sun. No place that far away. The light of love will shine on us forever and a day. With the love I have inside of me, we can turn this world around. We can live through all eternity, and we never let the gun. We'll take your chance to ride upon the sun. No place that far away. The light of love will shine on us forever and a day.
Oh, okay. So off then. That y'all were 100% right. 100% right. And that's what I love about this channel. Like, you guys know what we will like, and that was definitely one. Amazing, from vocals to instruments, the way it was all put together.
Yes.
It was like,
The instruments are very different
smooth,
too.
smooth, but lead singer, but everything else was like funky. It was definitely that 80s club dance banger.
But it wasn't just funky. I feel like it had another take to it. It was really creative and it was cool and it was fun. And even though it was so fun and his voice was so easy to get lost in, the lyrics were also sweet too. So it had like the whole package. I really enjoyed that.
And there was one part, like, I didn't know if it was like the xylophone, if it was key.
I don't know what it was, but I dug it. Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Drop down below, let us know, and please give us some more. That was such a cool take on D-Train. So drop down, but as we always send you guys out of here every day, we love you, we thank you, we appreciate you. And remember, every single day that you guys wake up, it is a blessing, and that you are blessed. And for your new family members that hit that subscribe button down below, we welcome you guys to the RSR family. But y'all will go every day just like we do. Let them know, Ma.
All right, y'all. All you have to do is go out in this beautiful world, spread some light, and spread some love by making somebody smile.
We love you guys. Till next time, we'll see y'all later.